Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Next, in the layers of retina, okay, in the layers of retina, the next layer is photoreceptors. Photoreceptors mainly comprises of rods and cones. So this layer will transform the light energy to the visual impulse. So there are almost 120 million rod cells and 6 million cone cells are present in layer of rods and cones. So in this picture, this is the layer of photoreceptors or rods and cones. Followed by it, we have external limiting membrane.
thank you and thank you for watching.